notion that D&D is very nerdy, which I mean it kind of is, but like hermit, don't go out on Friday nights, you know, all they do is go to mom's basement and play. And I always thought that when I was in high school. And then one day I sarcastically said, hey, let's play D&D, this will be great. And I realized how much fun it was, because it really does put you, it's like it's breaking the barriers that video games create.
Like, role-playing games are it's sort of an interactive storytelling around a table with a god/referee who has dice and rules that indicate whether the things you say you want to do succeed or fail.
The systems provide you with guidelines. To role-play, you don't need anything. All you need is great imagination. D&D was an introduction because of the books. Yeah, it really created a universe in fantasy. Fascinated by the universe, and D&D sort of fulfilled that fantasy.
For sure, people try to, you know, be somebody who they're not. That is one of the most beautiful psychological parts about D&D.
It is a full-blown character with a history and the storyline that goes behind it, and the quests that you do, and what happens, etc., etc.
I am Colder the Witch Hunter, the 800-year-old immortal.
I'm Vexalia, the stealthy half-elven ranger, separated from my twin brother and on the hunt.
My parents got divorced, and it was an ugly divorce. Because of some of the troubling things that were going on in my family, it really did offer an escape and a relief from reality.
The perfect way to feel like you're in a different world.
Role-playing really was cool because it individualized and sort of focused on a character, and the instant that you focused on the character, you wanted to see the character.